Homemade fly repellents for kids. Flies are annoying, they carry diseases and some species bite. Keeping these pests away from your children can be a challenge when you don't want to use environmentally unfriendly commercial products containing chemicals. Making your own fly repellent from natural and non-toxic ingredients can keep your kids free from flies. Essential oils. Common houseflies taste through their feet and are drawn to decay and foul smells, including perspiration. Flies do not like sweet smells, which is why you will not often find flies on your flowers and herbs. Essential oils made from fragrant flowers, herbs and plants can be used alone to repel flies. A few drops of essential oils like lavender, peppermint, tansy or eucalyptus, dabbed behind ears or rubbed on arms and legs, can keep flies away from your kids for hours. Washing with strong scented soaps that include essential oils will also help. Recipe 1. Mix together 1 cup water, 2 cups vinegar, 1 cup Avon Skin So Soft bath oil, 1 tablespoon eucalyptus oil. Pour this mixture into a spray bottle to spray on your kids' exposed arms and legs. Always shake the mixture well before spraying. This homemade fly/bug repellent is recommended by the U.S. Forest Service. Recipe 2. Combine 10-25 drops essential oil. Use lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus and citronella. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel optional. Stir together until all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. Store in a lidded jar. Dab the mix behind the ears, under the chin, on elbows, wrists, knees and ankles. This mix can also be dabbed on clothing without staining. A simpler recipe for dabbing on clothes and skin is 25 drops essential oil combined with 1/4 cup water or organic apple cider vinegar. Shake to mix, store in a lidded jar. Recipe 3. Combine 1/8 cup apple cider vinegar, 1/8 cup distilled water, 1/8 cup rubbing alcohol, 25 drops citronella essential oil 1/4 teaspoon, 25 drops eucalyptus essential oil 1/4 teaspoon, 50 drops peppermint essential oil 1/2 teaspoon. Shake well. Fill a small spray bottle with the mixture and spray on your kid or anyone else. Store the mixture in a lidded jar and keep it in a cool, dark place. It will keep for several months.